here's a little sound comparison of my two bikes because I'm bored. I'm gonna start off with my main one first. Here's the other one.